Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up a Laravel project from scratch. So no confusion, no theory, just straight steps. So before we get started, make sure you have a PHP and Composer installed into your system. So guys, if you have not installed PHP, you can use this video to watch and that how to install the XAMPP for PHP. Okay. And if you don't know how to install the Composer, please just Google Composer install on your Windows and download the file. Let me just show you it. And here you see the first link and here download and run. So just click on here and you will be able to install your Composer. So now guys, let's create a new Laravel project using the Composer. Go to our file explorer, go to the XAMPP htdocs and then create any folder. For my tutorial, I am using this path and right click on this, open in terminal, and here the terminal opens. Now how to create a Laravel project. So okay, I just Google create Laravel via Composer and here it gives us the command. To create the project, you just need to follow this command. So let's copy this, right click, copy, and go to your terminal, right click and paste here. So before hit enter, please change your Laravel project name. So let's give the project name here. I will give Laravel backend. Okay. Why I'm giving as Laravel hyphen backend? Because I'm going to create a API based project. So now let's hit enter. Your project starts now. So guys, let's wait until it gets completely installed. Perfect. So guys, our Laravel application is successfully created and here you can see. And also the migration. Migration means tables. So I can show you in the file explorer. So here you can see all the files. So now guys, we need to open this in editor. So what I will do, I will just cd Laravel hyphen backend, hit enter and code space dot, hit enter. So it's open in a VS Code. And now let's open a terminal. So here we click terminal, new terminal. Okay. Now we have to run this Laravel application. To run the Laravel project, use the command php artisan serve. php artisan serve. Hit enter. Server running on localhost 8000. So you can get back, open new tab, localhost 8000, hit enter, and you can see that your Laravel is successfully running. Perfect. So now we need to make the complete setup of a Laravel as API backend. So for that, you need to configure the database also. So let's go to our editor, go into .env file and scroll below and you can find the database connection here. Okay. So let's uncomment this and instead of SQLite, we will use MySQL. Okay, and here you are going to name your database name. So Laravel uh, underscore tutorial. I'm going to keep the database name and username is root, password will be null. So now let's go to our PHP myadmin, which means MySQL database. So you need to start your XAMPP server, that is Apache and MySQL should be started, and click on this admin button. So it will open your PHP myadmin. And now let's click on this new button. And here you can enter the database name, which we have copied from your .env file. So just copy this and get back, paste, and let's click on this create button to create the database. Cool. So now your database is created. You have no tables in this right now. So now let's get back to your application, I mean Laravel project, and then click on this plus icon to generate, uh, get a new terminal. So let's use the command php artisan migrate to migrate all the tables. Hit enter and here all the tables are migrated. Now let's see the structure of your database. So you see all the default tables are created. Cool. So now you can get back and close the .env file, and then let's refresh our Laravel project. So you see everything is working fine. Now your Laravel project is fully set up and ready for development. So friends, in next video, we will build a complete authentication system using the Laravel API and Vue 3. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.